Hyderabad. So of late, I've been looking for various digital marketing courses as I want to pursue my career in digital marketing. I have been looking with various education institutions, various organizations which have actually got digital marketing as a certification program. Recently, I have come across Kallada's Advanced Digital Marketing Certification course, and it has actually caught my eye because of its unique features and benefits which the program is offering. The primary benefits which I'm very much attracted to are the three factors. One is the curriculum of the course, two, the certifications and the job opportunities, three, the vast experience of the faculty members which the program has got. So, coming to the curriculum of the course, the curriculum actually talks about actually covers on various aspects of the digital marketing ecosystem, starting from the website designing, graphic designing, social media marketing, SEO techniques, tools and techniques, and on various social media platforms, which is giving emphasis on individual social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and also on a lot of emphasis, a lot of modules have been covered with respect to the affiliate marketing, Amazon marketing on that front as well. And one more key feature which is actually is standing out is a number of certifications which this course is offering. The certifications, as you know, are the Google tools and techniques which are being used in the latest tools and techniques which are used in the market. So around 16 certifications are given from Google as well as SEMrush certification courses. So all these put together with the experience of the faculties will help the students of the course understand the subject in depth, and it's actually one of the best courses I have seen in the market at the current times.